Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the opening round of this thrilling championship here at...
Good to see you. Hope you're raring to go, as it's a fun but challenging event here in Rally Mediterraneo. Lots of fast...
The revving engines and cheering crowds are creating an incredible atmosphere.
Start 60, slight right of the crest. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 60, slight right of the crest, 100. Slight left, don't cut, 80, slowing, caution, right of the crest, to slight left, and hairpin left, don't cut, tightens, and 3 right, cut. Into slight left, bumpy, 200. Slight right, into slight left of the crest, 100. Slowing, left of the crest, and dip, 120, hairpin right. 30, slight left, slowing, 50. Slight right, 30, hairpin left, don't cut, and slight right, 70. Late, 1 right, 70. Hairpin left, unseen, don't cut, and 1 right, don't cut, bridge, into turn, square left, don't cut, 40. 4 left, cut, and 3 right, opens, keep in, 60. Slowing, 6 right, into 4 left, 50, 4 right, half long, and 3 left, 120. Caution, crest, and 3 right short, to slight left, and crest, slowing, 80. 3 right sharp, 30. 1 left, don't cut, 60, crest, and slight right, crest, 140, right of a bump, and left of a crest, don't cut, 60, slowing, right of a crest, 100, open hairpin left, tightens, to slight right, 80, slight left of the crest, and bump, into slight right, slowing, 50, 1 right, half long, 70. 6 left, don't cut, 70. 5 right of the crest, tightens long, 40. 6 left, 30. 5 left, 40. Caution, crest, and 4 left, tightens, into right of the crest, 50. Turn, hairpin left. 30, hairpin right. And slight left, 50. Slight right, opens of a crest, 90. Small crest, 140. Crest, to slight right, tightens, into crest, 160, slowing. Right of a bump, into sudden 5 left, 80. Slight right to the crest, half long, 40. 6 left, slowing, 60, caution, 6 left, through dip, into 6 right of the crest, and bridge, and 2 left sharp, cut, 50, 6 right, tightens, to slight left, don't cut, and 5 right of the crest, half long, 90, 6 left, of a small jump, 140, slowing, 6 left, of a bump, and 5 right of a jump, to 4 left, sharp of the crest, into 6 right, half long, 80 over bumps. To slight right, into 6 left, tightens, into 6 right of the crest, into bump, 40. Slight left, don't cut, and right of the crest, 40, 4 right short, 30, 4 left, 90. Left of a small crest, 60, 4 right, half long, 40, late slight left, over bumps, 100. Slight left of the crest, slowing, 90, 4 right short, over finish, 3 left to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute 8.3.
Some great driving on that opening stage, putting this pairing in a
So, with a quick visual inspection, it doesn't look like too much of the car is damaged. We should be able to... You're doing a stellar job so far. P1. Keep this
The
rhythm...
final stage of the event is coming up now. A nice balance.
Starts 4 left, 70. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. And 4 left, tightens, 70. 4 right short, of a crest, 60. 6 left, half long, double caution. And slight right, into 3 right short, and 1 right short, and square left, 40. 6 right, to slight left, long, 80. 6 right, long, tightens. 50, caution, crest, 4 left short, 30, 6 left crest, and 6 right, long. Into 5 left, tightens, into 5 right short, 80, caution, crest, into 3 right short, into 6 left, 70, 5 left short, slowing, 100, caution, bump, and 1 right short, 70, late hairpin left, 60. Caution, 3 right into bridge, 60, turn square right, and 3 right into slight left, 30. 3 left short, and slight right, through dip, and slight left, half long tightens. Into 5 right of the crest, 40. Crest, to 5 left, long, tightens, 40. 6 right, very long. And left of a crest, slowing, 80, 1 right short, don't cut, 50, 2 left, half long, 60. Caution, crest, and 1 right, half long, don't cut, and 3 left, 30. 5 right short, over crest, and 4 left, half long, 70. 4 right, and 3 left, half long, and 4 right, all inside, and slight left, into left of a crest, and 4 right, opens, 70, nearly 5 left, 60, crest, and 4 left, tightens, and 5 right, opens, 40, 2 right, 60, 8, 2 left, keep in, and left of a crest, and 3 right, and 5 left short, into 6 right, over bump, and 5 left, keep in, 40, crest, into 6 right, slowing, and 6 left, tightens, into sudden 4 right, and 4 left, tightens, and late 4 left, keep in, and 4 right, 70. Slight left of a crest, very long. Tightens 5, and turn 6 right, tightens of a crest, bump to left of a crest, 50. 3 left, 40, 4 left, tightens, and 3 right, very long. And right of a crest, pass junction, and 3 left short, and 6 left, don't cut, 40. 1 right short, and 5 left, half long, 30. 1 right sharp, narrows, 50, 5 left, into 6 right. Into 5 left, 30, crest. Into 4 left, tightens, into slight right, 30, turn square left. Into 2 right, and 6 left, 40. right, half long, keep in, and 5 left short, into 5 right, half long, 50, hairpin left, 50, slide left, into slide right, 30, 5 left, over bump, and crest, into 6 right, half long, 40, 2 right, opens, 100, 6 left, and 4 right, opens, and 5 left, cut, slowing, into 5 right, and turn acute hairpin left, and 4 left, into left of a crest, so then 3 right, short, 60, 5 left, tightens, and 4 right, 30, slide left, slowing, and left of a crest, 30, crest, and 2 left, tightens, 30, hairpin right, 40, turn, bait, square right, into 3 left, 40, 3 right, opens, 30, over crest, finish, and 4 right, to stop. Okay, that's a 5 minute, 51.3.
And with that run, this cruise event comes to an end. Let's have a look at the table now to see how they fared. Nothing quite like the feeling of securing a space on the podium.
All right, what an event.